What's up, guys? This will be a quick video. I just wanted to show you real quick. I did a modification to my truck, and warning, earbud listeners warning. So let's get to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I do. Set you out here a ways. Try to protect your hearing. And also, I didn't really find it set up real well. So, alright. Get ready. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. That's train horn that I had installed, and now the generator's going. But it was a little pricey, more than I really wanted to pay. It's not the horn blasters, but it gets the job done. Alright guys, later.